Good morning, mi gente. Now we are here in Stockholm in Sweden, and they just give us some good information from these two bikers right here. They're from here, from Sweden. We just met them, a couple, husband and wife. Most of the women here ride. It's incredible. They all like to ride their own bikes, and those are really nice bikes. The speed trap doesn't work for motorcycles because the tag is in the back and the camera only works for tags in the front. So we're gonna try it. So they say just smile, wave, and keep going. Anyway, we like to stop anyway. We like to do the speed limit. We don't want to ride into any problems and then stop by the cops somewhere else and this and that, and that's it. For now, we are here in Stockholm. Our day is starting. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. We're 2.5 hours away from our hotel in Stockholm, and then we're going to be there for a day and a half, and then we're going to see Stockholm. So for now, let's go and let's do some riding. Yes, sir. Let's go. Bueno, mi gente, we are here in Stockholm. We finally arrived. It's about 3 o'clock p.m. Stockholm time. And we happen to right here. We'll be checking the hotel. The location of the hotel is perfect for what we needed for a day and a half. And we met Josefa from the UK and Isaac, that he lives here on and off. You know, we chat a little bit about our trip, things that come and go. And now they're following us on Instagram. So we're gonna have to do it by jumping around the world, like everybody else. Okay, so we're here. So we're running?
Yeah.
Alright, so Josefa from the UK. Just tell something about a little bit about you and what are you doing here in
I'm like a part-time teacher in the UK, science teacher, and I'm here just to see my friend Isaac and to see Sweden. After this, I'm going to Greece and then to Thailand. So I'm traveling around a little bit, but nothing compared to you.
but it's an adventure though.
Yeah.
Thailand is an adventure. Science teacher. You know what? I didn't even ask him what he did. The science teacher. Maybe we can ask him about something that we saw in Norway about the midnight sun. You can have the answer for us.
Yeah, no, I can answer.
He said that he was a science teacher, didn't he? All right. So we got Isaac. Isaac, what do you do over here in Sweden?
Yeah, so I'm originally from the UK as well. Went to college together. I basically live here half time because my girlfriend is from here. So hopefully one day I'll move here. Hopefully I'll live here full time. As I said, coming to visit me while he's taking a trip around the world. And I am unemployed, so I'm living life.
There you go. So 3 happy campers over here in Sweden, and we go hands up. So when I go 1, 2, 3, we can jump, all right? 1, 2, 3, go! Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Jumping around the world from Sweden. Bueno, mi gente, so we are here in Stockholm, and we are at the hotel. It's called Comfort Inn. This place is huge. The rooms are very small, but it's very well located. And we're going for a tour. Let's see what we can see here in Stockholm. Let's roll. All right, so we are here in Stockholm. What do we see? Burger King, 7-Eleven, World Trade Center. That's where we are staying at. This is the World Trade Center in Stockholm. We're trying to look for the Hoppum Hoppa bus, but we got the map. But we're gonna go and walk for a little bit. We are somewhere around here, Central Station. You know what? We're just gonna go and get lost. screw it. All right, so let's go and walk around Stockholm.
Torget Haymarket is a well-known plaza in the heart of Stockholm, Sweden. It has a rich history and serves as a lively hub for shopping, culture, and social activity.
Oye, ¿me puedes tomar luego a mí? Yo te
Muchas gracias, un saludo. Estamos aquí en esta plaza, en el centro de Estocolmo. La verdad que el sol salió. Miren qué día tan espectacular que nos hace. Hace ratito nos llovió y nos llovía, nos llovía, nos llovía, nos escampaba. Yo mandé un email. El sol salió. Me siento súper orgulloso en este momento de hablar español, muchachos. Para todos los que hablamos español, nuestros hijos que hablan español, que no pierdan esa lengua. Para todos mis amigos mexicanos, colombianos, panameños, toda América, desde Estados Unidos, Canadá, hasta abajo. Es un privilegio para mí estar aquí en el viejo continente. Aquí atrás hay una exposición de Frida Kahlo, mexicana. No estoy enfermo, solo estoy quebrada, pero súper feliz de hacer lo que yo hago, que es pintar. La verdad que este viaje ha sido un viaje con muchas cosas hermosas que me han pasado en la vida. Demasiadas bendiciones, demasiadas. Cada día más y más y más bendiciones. Este tiempo que nos está haciendo ahora, y lo voy a hacer en español porque aquí a todo el mundo le gusta que hables español, que ahora estaban preguntando ¿dónde están los latinos? Les damos la mano, ¡ay! Se emocionaron. Be happy to be a Latin. Be happy to be speaking Spanish and English. Sirve muchísimo en otras culturas. La verdad que rompiendo barreras. Espero que muchos se animen a venir a rodar a esta parte del mundo porque es súper increíble.
Nybroviken is a small bay located in the central part of Stockholm, Sweden. It is situated in the upscale Stockholm district and serves as a key point for sightseeing and water-based activities.
El de Djurgårdsbron es un puente emblemático situado en Estocolmo, Suecia, que conecta el centro de la ciudad con la isla de Djurgården, un destino popular para locals y turistas por sus parques, museos y atracciones culturales.
Ladegrads Lidvik is a bay located in central Stockholm, Sweden. It lies to the east of Skepsholmen and Kastelholmen Islands, within the Stockholm archipelago. The name Ladegrads Lidvik refers to its historical connection to the area known as Ladegradland, now Sturmholm. Today, The bay is a scenic part of Stockholm's waterfront, offering beautiful views of nearby islands, historic buildings, and marinas.
All right, so we came to one of the highlights here in Stockholm. Is the ABBA Museum.
El Palacio Real de Suecia es la residencia oficial del monarca sueco, situada en el corazón de Estocolmo, en la isla de Stockholm, en el área conocida como la Ciudad Vieja. Este impresionante edificio, con una rica historia y diseño barroco, es uno de los palacios reales más grandes del mundo todavía en uso oficial.
And we just been walking all over the place, and we have a plan for tomorrow. So tomorrow video will be a lot more into detail on the places that we have visited. Today was just something that we like to do and explore the city.
The Nobel Prize Museum is a renowned cultural and historical museum located in Stockholm, Sweden. It celebrates the achievements of Nobel Prize laureates and the legacy of Alfred Nobel, the Swedish chemist, engineer, and inventor of dynamite, who established the prestigious awards.
El patio del Palacio Real de Suecia Kungligaslotet es uno de los puntos más emblemáticos de Estocolmo, situado en el casco antiguo de la ciudad. Una de las actividades más populares en el patio es el cambio de la Guardia Real, que se realiza regularmente y atrae tanto a locales como a turistas.
Well, we're gonna finish our first video of the harbor view. We're going back to the hotel. It's around 10:30 p.m. and it's getting dark. Finally, our bodies are getting back to normal. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow in another